give all and you come back. And now, because sometimes the cable need to be stretched, you're doing all stretch like this, you back, you feel now it's pretty on tension. So the first thing is check here the alignment with the last gear. And now we see this is to outside, so we can go on the high speed and we adjust it like this until then this is not perfect straight away. You see? You help me, baby? Yeah, more or less. But now I try just to push I can't go in the first gear because I untied the L. Bit better. Yeah. Okay, and the limit are good now. Now we put the chain. And we need just to do a regulation of the gear. Please. Keep going. Put back the chain. In general, he got a bit stuck like this, and this is the pin. I can do something like this and something like this, and now it's still back. Okay, and now let's see. We are ready to put this in. Bed here. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now we can start from the last gear. Okay, now we see the last, don't go in the last. Here it's at 7, and why? Or we have, because we have too much tension. I'll try to remove tension and see what happens. or maybe because the limit are too tight. All right, perfect. Now we try to do one click and see what happens. It's still firm. Just with one click it is firm because don't have tension. And we start to doing tension. After making tension, we go in the 6. One click, one click, one click. It's a bit faster to going down and a bit slower to going in up because I can make more tension. The last things then we try is push in the first gear, push the and see if go outside like this now. This is because the L we can try to tight a bit and see if we have the same. Okay, perfect. We try the same in the last gear. I try to perfect. The gear is perfect.